We have another SQ story here from northern Ethiopia, the Tigray region. We have with us Pastor Tesfaye Hatum, and he is going to share with us a story of discerning God, which is one of the essential qualities of SQ, spiritual intelligence. Pastor, we want to hear your story.
በመጀመሪያ ያው ልክ ጦርነቱ እንደመጣ ያው ፍርሃት ነበረ እና ብዙ ችግሮች ነበሩ። ግን በዛን ሰዓትና ጊዜ ከሁኔታዎች አንፃር ጌታን ጠየቅን ምን እናደርግ ብለና ከዛ በኋላ እግዚአብሔር ደግሞ አትቆዩ ከእናንተ ጋር ነኝ አለን ከነ ቤተሰባችን ጋር።
ይሄ ስንት ዓመት ነው? ስንት ዓመት ይሆናል?
በቃ በ13 ነው። ይሄ 2013 ማለት ነው።
5 ዓመት በፊት this is a time when the central government of Ethiopia and Tigray went into war, and Pastor Tesfaye and his family staying in the city where the war is going to happen, and so they've been praying what to do and what's going to happen. So it was almost like the war is coming to engulf the city, and they asked the Lord whether they should leave or stay, and the Lord said, stay in the city, I will be with you.
ናልክ እግዚአብሔር እንደዛ እንዳለን ጎረቤቶች አካባቢያችን ነበሩ እኛን ጠየቁን ምን እናድርግ ብሎ ሲጠይቁን በቃ አትውጡ አልናቸው ለነሱም እኛን አምኖ ልክ እኛ ጋር አብሮ ቆየ።
There were neighbors who asked us,
ማያምኑ ናቸው።
These are unbelievers actually, neighbors who never know God, but they asked us what to do. Do we stay or we go? And we told them, the Lord told us, please stay. The Lord is with us.
ልክ እንደዛ በሆነ ሰዓትና ጊዜ ልክ እኛም ቆየን። ልክ ስንቆይ ልክ በቆይታችን ላይ ብዙ ነገሮች የሚያስፈሩ መጡ። ግን እግዚአብሔር ያለንን ደግሞ ያሸነፈ በጥበቃ ውስጥ እየከለለ እግዚአብሔር እስከ ፍጻሜ ልክ የነበሩ ሁኔታ እስኪቀዘቅዝ ልክ ነገሮች እስኪስተካከል ድረስ ሆነ በዛን ሰዓትና ጊዜ።
So as the Lord told us to stay in the city, not to go anywhere, and so we stayed, though a lot of challenges happened and things are becoming complicated, and no food, no enough food during those times, because like the city was like a siege, and we were safe, we were secure, though those problems, little problem happens.
ያ ልክ በዛን ሰዓትና ጊዜ ልክ በቃ ሰዎች እንድንወጣ ይገፋፉን ነበር። ግን እኛ ልክ የሚበላም የለም ከልጆች ጋር በቃ የሆነ ቂጣም በርበሬ ምናምን ያደረግን ነው እየበላ ምክንያቱ ጌታ ያለውን ምክንያቱ የእግዚአብሔርን ድምጽ ትተን መሄድ ለኛ ጉዳት ነው ከሚለው አንፃር ከመጨረሻ እንደቆየ።
There are so many people to call us, encourage us to leave the city, and we were very sure the Lord spoke to us, and we said we will not go anywhere because we heard very clearly the voice of the Lord, so we cannot go anywhere.
ልክ ይሄ ከሆነ በኋላ ያው በሁለተኛው ደግሞ ቲፒኤልኤፍ ገባ። ከዛ በኋላ ቲፒኤልኤፍ ከገባ በኋላ እንደገና ሁለተኛ ጦርነት ሲመጣ መከላከያም መጣ። ልክ መከላከያም መጣ እንደገናም የኤርትራም እንትን ሰራዊት መጡ። ልክ በዛን ሰዓትና ጊዜም ጌታንም ጠየቅ ነው። በጣም የከፋ ነበር በዛን ሁለተኛ ላይ ግን ጠየቅ ነው ምክንያቱም እሱ መጠየቅ ስላለብን ማለት ነው። ከዛ እግዚአብሔር ደግሞ ውጡ አለ በሁለተኛ ጊዜ ማለት ነው። ልክ እኛ እንደዛ ስንል ለሌሎች ወገኖችም ውጡ እያለን ነው ጌታ ስንላቸው ኖ እግዚአብሔር እኮ ይጠብቀናል ብሎ የቀሩማሉ የተጎዱ ማለት ነው። ልክ እኛ ግን ውጡ ሲለን እግዚአብሔር ከነልጆቼ ጋር አብረን የወጣ ነው በዛን ሰዓትና ጊዜ ማለት ነው።
So this time except we like scarcity of food, there was no problem in our life, so we were very secured. Few months later, a new war broke up. Again, we didn't know what to do. We go on our knees and ask the Lord whether we again still stay or go. This time, the Lord told us very clearly to leave the city.
ልክ በዚህን ሰዓትና ጊዜ መጀመሪያ የጠየቁን ሰዎች አብሮን አሁንም ጠየቁን ምን እናድርግ ብሎ
And the same family and neighbors who asked us in the previous time again came back to us and asked us whether we leave or stay.
እንውጣ አልናቸው። አብረን ነው የወጣ ነው በሌሊት 3 ሰዓት ተኩል።
So we told them, last time the Lord told us to stay. Now the Lord is telling us to leave. So let's leave together. So we all together left the city in the night.
ልክ ጦርነቱ ይልቅ ውጡ እንዳለን እግዚአብሔር በረሃም ነው የነበረው። በጣም እንትን ነው የነበረው። በጣም ልጆችም የነበረውን ሁኔታ ምግብም የለም። በጣም ብዙ ነገሮች ነበሩ። ግን እግዚአብሔር ውጡ ያለን ግን በኋላ ነው የእግዚአብሔርን ድምጽኛ አምነን ነው የወጣን። ግን ልክ በኋላ ስንመለከት ግን በከተማው ላይ ኃይለኛ ነበረ። ብዙ ነው የቀሩ ወገኖችም እግዚአብሔር ይጠብቀናል ያሉም ጭምር ነው ወደ ሌላ ቦታ የተወሰዱና ልክ በዚህ ነገር ነው የነበረው በዛን ሰዓት ነው።
So we left. We didn't have enough food for our kids. When we leave, we just trust in the Lord because the Lord says leave. There were people who stayed this time in the city, the Almani Christians, because they just say the Lord keep us. For us, we got very clear voice to leave this time. So we went out, stay somewhere with a lot of challenges. People who stay in the cities at a second time, they got a lot of challenges, a lot of problems. Some of them killed, some of them taken captives, and they went through very, very hard times. Some of them, they disappeared.
ልክ ይሄ ነው የሆነው። በረሃው ላይ ደግሞ እግዚአብሔር ውጡ ባለን ሰዓትና ጊዜ በበረሃ ላይ ደግሞ በቃ ልክ እኛን ሲቃወሙ የነበሩ ቄሶችም ጭምር ነው። ምን እየሆነ ነው ያለው ምን ይሆናል ብላችሁ ብሎ እኛን ለመጠየቅ ወደኛ ሲመጡ ነበር። ከተማው ላይ የሚጠሉ ነው የነበሩ ቄሶች ጭምር።
So people who left with us, they start trusting the voice of the Lord. Even the priestess, the Orthodox priestess, actually who used to hate us because of our religions, now they start to listen to us, and they even start asking, what is next? What will happen next? What do you think will happen next? You know, what we're gonna do?
ልክ እንደዛ አንዳንዶቹ ደግሞ በቃ ብራላችሁ ወይ እናበድራችሁ ብሎ ደግሞ ልክ በቃ እንደዚህ የረህራሄ መንፈስ እግዚአብሔር በእነሱ ፊት መጎስ ሲሰጠን አይተናል እዛ ቦታ ላይ።
So while we stay in the desert, because we left the city, people who were staying with us, some of them start even generous with us. They start giving money to us, and some of them ask us how do they help us, because we never had anything other than the voice of the Lord that time. And we have seen so many generosity from the community who left with us.
ልክ ይሄ የሁለተኛው ልክ በረሃ ላይ እንዳለን ልክ አሁንም ነገሮች በከተማ ላይ ሁሉ ጊዜ እንሰማለን እንደዚህ ሆነ እንላልና ከዛ በኋላ መጨረሻው ላይ ጌታ ምን እናድርግ ስንላቸው ግቡ አለን።
ምን ያህል ጊዜ ቆይቶ በረሃ ላይ?
2 ወር ቆየን በረሃ።
So we stayed for 2 months in the desert. After 2 months, we have been hearing in those 2 months what happened in the city, how many people were taken, how many killed. And so now as the time goes on, we start praying and discerning, and we ask the Lord, do we continue to stay here or do we going to go back to the city?
ስለዚህ እግዚአብሔር ደግሞ ግቡ አለን።
Then 2 months later, the Lord again came to us and told us to go back to the city.
ልክ እግዚአብሔር ግቡ ሲለን ልክ ዓለማውያን ናቸው መንገድ ላይ እየቆዩ ወዴት ናችሁ የምትሄዱ አሉን። ልንገባ ነው ወደ ቤታችን ልንገባ ነው። እንዴ በጣም አስቸጋሪ ነው ያለው እንደዚህ ነው ያለው ብዙ ነገሮችን በቃ ያለው ሁኔታ ያባበሹ አንዳንዶችና ድምጽ በረሃው ላይ ሆኖ ድምጽ እየሰማን ምናምን እኛ ከናንተ ድምጽ ይልቅ ውስጣችን ያለውን ነው ማመን ያለብን ብለን መንገድ መቀጠል ጀመርን ወደ ቤት።
So we got a voice again to go back to the city. And when we start moving to the city, people who see us going to the city were telling us and challenging us, why you go to the city? Because the city is still, there are a lot of war is going on. People are taken as a captive, many killed, still many problem. Do you know there are a lot of shootings there? And so we start telling them, we believe the voice of the Lord than what is happening. We tell them we have voice inside. The Lord told us to go back to the city, so we are going in.
ልክ ወደ ከተማ እየሄድን አሁንም ልክ ከተማው ላይ ልክ ልንቃረብ ሲል እንደገና ሌላ ሰው ደግሞ መጥቶ ምንድነው ምናምን ብሎ እንትን እየነገረና ከዛ በኋላ ግን እግዚአብሔር ሌላ የሰላም ሰው አዘጋጀልን። ምንድነው እንዴ ነው ስንለው ፌደራል መንግስት ገብተዋል ስለዚህ ምንም የለን ምንም ብሎ ሲነግረን ልክ ወደ ቤት ገባን ማለት ነው።
So as we continue to work, travel to the city, lot of different groups was challenging us and telling us this is not good time to move in. but we have a peace in our heart, we have a voice, and so we tell them, I think the Lord told us we are going to the city. Finally, as we are approaching the city, we start hearing a good news. Those people, like people who knew the reality on the ground, told us the federal government controlled the city now. The city is safe. You are coming to the city in a good time.
ልክ ይሄ እንደሆነ ወዲያው ወደ ቤታችን ልክ እንደገባን ቤቶች አንዳንዱ ሲዘረፉ ብዙ ነገሮች ላይ መዘረፍ ምናምን በነበረበት ሰዓትና ጊዜ ቤታችን ላይ ግን ልክ አንድ ሻንጣ ያንም አንድ ሻንጣም ልብስ ለበረሃ ይዘናት ልመጣ እንትን የሆነች ያዘጋኘን ካልመዘጋ ያንዳንዱ የቃ እንደተጠበቀ ነው ያገኘነው።
So when we got to get to our house, and our house was very safe. Many houses actually stolen, things was taken, many things. For us, the Lord kept even our house. We only knew one bag, which is just a bag, a very old bag was taken with clothes. Otherwise, the Lord protected all of our items, and we get back to our home very safe.
ሌላው በጣም የገረመኝ ምንድነው ልክ አንድ 25 ኪሎ ስንዴ የተፈጨ እንደገና አንድ እንትን እህልም እንደዚህ የተፈጨ ትተን ሄደን ነበርና በዛን ሰዓትና ጊዜ ልክ ያንም ሳይነካ እንዳለ የቀየውንና ልክ ያንን እንደቆየ ሲቆየን ጎረቤቶች መጥተው ማሉን በቃ ይሄን ሁሉ ነገሮች ሁሉ እንዳለ ስንጠብቅ ቆየናሉና ከተወሰነ ጊዜ በኋላ አንድ ሴት መጣችና ይሄ እኮ የቆየው ምክንያት ብላ ነገረኝ። ምንድነው ስንላት ይሄ ያለው ንብረት የቆየው ልክ እነሱንም እኛን ወስዳለን ብለን ስንጣላ ከዚያ በኋላ ልክ እንተማት ወስዶም እኔም አልወስዶም ብለን ንብረቱ እንዲጠበቅ ነው ያደረግነው አለች። ሁለቱም አጣልተው ንብረቱ እንዲቆይ ያደረገ እግዚአብሔር።
The neighbor told us amazing story about our items, our things, especially because that time there is scarcity of food. So we had one bag of wheat flour, and so the neighbor came to us and told us how this became safe. They said we didn't have anything to eat, so most of the neighbors came to get that, and they fought over it. And the neighbor told us finally they agreed nobody can take it because nobody can take the floor, and so they agreed to leave it as it is and anybody take it. So they told us we didn't agree anybody to take, rather we left. That's how you got it now.
So a bag of flour, big bag of flour, which was essential.
Yeah, very essential
for your survival after you returned to the city, was preserved even by neighbors who were very motivated to take it.
Yeah.
But then finally decided, we're going to leave it for this family. Amazing.
Yeah, that's a miracle. የቀሩት ሜዳ ላይ ቀሩት ንገረና እናንተ ገባችሁ ላይ ቀሩ ነበሩ አይደል?
የቆሩ ምንድናቸው? ልክ የኤርትራ መንግስት ወስዷቸው ነበር። ከዛ በኋላ ፌደራል እንዲመለሱ አደረገ። ልክ እኛ 2 ወር በረሃ ላይ ሆነን 2 ወር እነሱ ልክ እዛ ቦታ ላይ ሆነ ማለት ነው። ምንድነው የኛን ግን አሁን እኔ ሴት ልጅ አለችኝ 25 ዓመት፣ ወንድ ልጅም አለኝ ትንሽም፣ እኔም ባለቤቴ ነው እንትን ያለና አሁን እኛ እዛ ብንቀር ኑሮ እኛም ወደዛ ይወስዱን ነበርና ልክ ልጅም ይደፍሩ ነበር። ምክንያቱም ተደፈሩ ብዙ
So when after 2 months I just mentioned we went back. People who stay on the desert after 2 months was very terrible. Almost all of them was taken captive by the soldiers from a neighbor, and their girls was actually abused. Their wives were abused. My daughter is 25 years old. My wife and my boy, we came safe. If we stayed there that time, my daughter, my wife, everybody would be abused and also would be taken captives. The Lord protected us by giving us a direction to go stay in the city. So when he told us to stay, we're protected. When he told us to go, we're protected. When he told us to come back, we're protected. And the Lord led us in an amazing way, in a very safest way during that hardest time of our life.
እና አምላካችንም ሰዎች እንዲያመሰግኑ እኛ አንወጣም ስንል አብሮን መጥቶ ያድራሉ እዛ ቦታ ላይ ቸርችን በነበረበት ቦታ ደግሞ እዚህ ቸርች በቃ እዚህ ነው ምንም አይነካን ብሎ ልክ እዛ መጡ ጎረቤቶች ያድራሉ እዛ ቦታ ላይ ምክንያቱ እዚህ ቦታ የእግዚአብሔር ቤት ነው ብሎ ልክ እንዲጠበቁ እዛ ቦታ ልክ ላይ የሚወርድ ምናምን ስለነበረ በቃ ይሄ ቤተ መቅደስ ነው በእውነት በቃ ምናምን ብሎ እዛ ጎረቤቶች ጭምር መጥቶ ያድሩ ነበር እኛም ቤትም እንደዚህ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ እግዚአብሔር ከብረዋል ለማለት ነው
Yeah, we thank God the Lord protected us. Not only that, people realize the presence of the Lord in our life, they start telling and saying, I think your place is the safest place for some reason. So that's the temple of the God. It's the presence of the Lord. And they start even coming to sleep in our place. While, a lot of shootings happen in the city, our place was the safest place. And so people start sleeping as a refugee place. The Lord protected us and our neighbors start coming and sleep where we are. And that glorified God, who He really with us. And so we always say, tell people, God glorified. We glorify God. Yeah, I thank God for how He led us and He protected us.
Thank you, Pastor. This is an amazing testimony. And we thank God for your faithfulness and your obedience to discern and then obey the voice of the Lord. It's a high SQ story, and I want this story to be told around the world.